hardwood floor. I get to hear my children laughing down the hall through the bedroom door. Sometimes I sit on my front porch swing, just soaking up the I think to myself, this world is a beautiful place. I have been blessed, and I feel like I've found my way. I thank God for all I've been given. At the end of every day, I have been blessed with so much more than I deserve. To be here with the ones who love me, to love them so much it hurts. I have been blessed. Across a crowded room, I know what I'm thinking about the way I look at you. And when we're lying in the quiet, no words have to be said. I think to myself, this love is a beautiful gift.